my name is Soros from China Reed Car Parts. Our company could supply you the enough exhaust pads, heater, manifold, pipe, system, intercooler, tip, muffler, and other auto parts. And this exhaust pipe is for the Mercedes Benz a250 pipe. The material of the pipe is stainless steel 304. Very good quality. I will show you what's the products. I promise you will get enough products, enough great quality products from us. Come on, let's do it. Hey my friends, look at this one. This is the exhaust tip, exhaust clamp. Importantly, this is the exhaust valve for your turbo energy, for your Toyota and Nissan. Contact, search our Facebook, Instagram. We promise you will get the great quality of product from us. If you want to get the same, no problem. We will be the friends, partners. Bye bye. It's very nice.